Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netplwiz doesn't show checkbox. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. To start, open the search bar on your computer and type Netplwiz. From the list of results, click on the Netplwiz application to launch it. If you don't see the option to disable the feature, don't worry, this can be resolved with a few extra steps. Return to the search menu and enter CMD this time. In the results, locate command prompt, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator to open the command prompt with administrative privileges. Once it's open, carefully type the following command: reg space add space quote hklm /software /Microsoft /Windows space nt /current version /passwordless /device quote space /v space device passwordless build version space /t space reg underscore d word space /d space 0 space /f. After typing the command, press enter to run it. If everything goes as expected, you'll receive a confirmation message showing that the command has been executed successfully. Next, you should restart your computer to apply the changes. Once your system is back on, open Netplwiz again. This time, the checkbox to disable the feature should appear, allowing you to make the necessary changes and continue with your task. And that is how to fix Netplwiz doesn't show checkbox. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.